everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got another project to share with you. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Of course we need a fall theme right about now, right? Check this gorgeous Carta paper out. Fall Break, designed by Stephen Duncan. Isn't this gorgeous? We have cut apart pages, okay? We've got a border strip page, a 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet, and look at these amazing images. I'm in love with the teal. Isn't that so cool? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to share this with you. I do have a tutorial already on this book, and I'll leave it in the link below. I'll leave it as a link in the description box below, okay? And so here on the front cover, what do I got going on? This is 8 inches across, 10 inches tall, okay? And it is about 2.5 inches on the spine. I did use medium weight chipboard, and I have 85-pound black cardstock for all my bases, and then my 65-pound white cardstock for my picture mats, where you put the picture, right? And guess where I got all these supplies? Oh my gosh, jshobbiesandcrafts.com has the best stuff. I just absolutely love it. Check out this chipboard element. All these three. I've got this ephemera pack to go along with the collection. It made the book go so fast. Some stash lace, hooks and eyes as a closure on the front of the album, room to grow, which is wonderful. I've got this gorgeous simple lace and some sheer ribbon right here just for a simple tassel. And this is 49 in Market flowers, and these are Kaiser Craft little flowers. And isn't that adorable? Look at these leaves. I just fussy cut this out, and I made my own little frame. It's more like a Polaroid picture frame type of thing. And I'm in love with this pumpkin paper. I had to use it. I know it's a little bit busy, but I had to use it. So I went around with my black marker just to break up the images because this wasn't as bold. So I just wanted to balance it out. So you'll see right here that I've got some Mayarts twine. Thank you, Susie, my friend Susie. So I just have that out of my stash, okay? And I thought it went perfect with this. So there's kind of like a fall country feel to this collection. And of course, it's just so cute. I've got a little pumpkin holding that down right here, the chipboard element, cute polka dot paper, and then a simple spine wrap right here with this picnic checkered paper. That's what I call it. Okay, it's the picnic. So when you open this up, you'll first see a lot of room, okay? We got 2 pockets going on here. There's one here with this beautiful punch, which is also, guess what, jshobbiesandcrafts.com. Oh my goodness, you can pick up this beautiful punch and you can craft along with me, which I think would be so exciting and fun. Okay, so we've got an insert here. Of course we do. Guess what? It holds 4x6 photographs perfectly. Look at the beautiful fall leaves. I love it. And we also have some journaling lines. Again, I couldn't help myself. And again, this is a pocket right here as well. So you can stash some more photos in there if you wanted. This is an ephemera piece. Some more of these flowers, 49 in Market. And then we have a cardstock sticker right there. I just mounted it on some cardstock and I placed it on there easily with art glitter glue. A perfect fine tip to be able to place that anywhere you want. I can't even make a mess with it. It's unbelievable. Okay, so we got photo spots. This is probably one of my favorite papers in the entire collection, as well as this one. So you flip this over, and I've got another sticker here. Places for photos or journaling, maybe more photos if you want. And then an ephemera piece here, and another strip of design paper. Sweater weather was a sticker, super cute. Another place for photos here. And then I have like this different type of pocket here, which I thought was kind of cool. You can customize any shape or size insert you want inside here, but I just layered some flowers and some more twine. And then you got pictures front and back on here, which I thought was super cute. And I show you how to make these pockets and everything. So that would just go right back in there, and that's the first page. So here's the back, some more photo spaces. You can even journal here, and then put photos there. Of course, I left these open. Super cute, right? Okay, so then we've got this easy 4x6, and on the back, and look at this gorgeous punch. Isn't that just beautiful? I just love it, and I love the pumpkins. Here's an ephemera piece. Got those flowers going on. Here's a chipboard sticker. This is a magnetic closure. Oh my gosh, I love the twine right here. This pulls up, places for photos. You can even put like loose photos in here, and then the magnet can keep that closed. And then you got the bottom right here for more photo space. Perfect 4x6 can fit on there. I forgot my journaling lines. Of course, I gotta forget something every time. This was actually a cut aparts. Out of the cut apart page, right? That was the cut apart. And then I used my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board to create this notch right there. I show you how to mat that nicely. And these have 2 pockets on this page. I thought that was kind of cool. Love the trees. I did add a tab on this. Here's a second pocket. Look at that gorgeous, I'm gonna call it a Chevy because it looks like a Chevy to me. I put that upside down, but that's okay. Beautiful places for photographs right there. Oh my goodness, isn't that adorable? Look at that stripe paper. Okay, so I added some strips of paper in between as well. So when you turn this over, we've got this. Of course, we gotta have some more layered flowers. Beautiful punch, and here's an ephemera piece. Magnetic closure, opens up picture space. Here's a sticker. And then look over here. I have another angle pocket, and I just stuck a couple pieces of ephemera in here. And then I've got this cut apart. Oh my gosh, isn't that adorable? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so here, that's a sticker, and this is ephemera. Great places for your landscape 4x6 photos. This actually holds about 50 to 55 photographs, and it comes together so fast. So over here I have like this cross pocket mechanism. I just thought it was something cool. We got some bonfire stickers right there, and then we got places for photos and journaling. And so you can stick this in either of those pockets, and they go all the way down in the corner of both. And I show you how to do that as well. I thought that was so cool. You can stick like loose photos in here, other ephemera pieces if you'd like. And then over here we've got these corner pockets going again. Look at my beautiful pumpkin page. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the teal pumpkins. This is just crazy. And I have this layered up ephemera piece right here. Okay, let's just take a moment and just admire that. Isn't that just, wow. My favorite paper out of the entire pack. Okay, so then we have this. This folds over, right? Beautiful punch. You have journaling spaces on the side. This folds to the left, and we've got some more picture space. You can even tuck a little photo underneath here. Even put a photo there or journal. And then these are our pockets, okay? We've got inserts, 4x6 places for photos right there, front and back. Just pretty, look at that, and that folds right back up, magnetizes closed, fits perfectly. And then on the back I have another fold out, so this time I put a 4x6 little photo mat right there. I matted the back of it, because once we turn the page we're gonna see that, right? And then I have a cute little ephemera piece here. I wanted to admire this paper, of course. And then this opens up, and we've got another angle pocket. Little ephemera piece right there. Some more stickers out of the cardstock sticker sheet. Love that paper, oh my gosh. Hayride, and then of course, more photo spots right there. Okay, so that's a magnetic closure as well. You can also pick up the magnets from JS Hobbies and Crafts. Super easy to use. I show you how to use them in the tutorial as well. And look at this, ephemera. Actually, you know what? This was a 4x6 cut apart. I fussy cut around that and stuck that there. Super cute little cluster of flowers. And then I got this awesomeness landscape and portrait photo mats on that waterfall. Hello Beautiful was a cut apart. I just turned these into tags. I went along my journaling pen with that one to kind of break up that green. And then we got this super cute pocket in the back. And once all that closes up, there's a journaling spot right here and a tab on an insert with 4 more photo spots. This came together so fast. Look at the gorgeous teal, oh my gosh, little teal trees, I love it. And that is it. So if you want to check out the shop so you can craft along with me, feel free, I'll have it in the link below, as well as the tutorial. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye!